Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can make a miniature house in Heartopia. You do need to have the winter semicircular balcony. Don't know why that is so difficult to say. And, oh, actually, let me rotate it this way. And I'm just going to color it this color over here. Hopefully I remember the color that is. Okay, that doesn't really matter. And then I'm going to add another one here. And again, I'm just going to change the color of that. Okay, and then we are going to add some floors here. But actually, let me get some walls first. I'm just going to place it here, but I will change the color. So I'm just going to do that first. So it kind of matches the one here. So let's try to find one that matches. I guess this one kind of matches it a little. So we're gonna do 2 here and 2 here. Whoops. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, it's the other part of the wall, sorry. Let me just do the other walls first. There we go. And then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that on each side, like so. Now we're gonna do the floors. And let me see if there's like a kind of similar flooring color, probably this one. And then for the ceiling, let's do that. And we're gonna put some floors here. And some floors like on the top as well. Might need to make it a little bit shorter, but that's fine for now. Then we are going to add the really big tree, which is this one, like in the corner of it, like that. And then for the stairs, we are going to glitch them. Unfortunately, I know a lot of you guys don't like glitching, but it needs to be done. Don't think I like these stairs. I just want it to have the same colors, you know? Okay, put 3 first, like that. And then I'm just going to glitch this one out. Okay, let's try that again. We're going to glitch the, whoop, I'm like, where's the house? Did it work? Okay, that's good. Then we are going to place the other stairs facing this way in that same color. I'm just going to decorate and add some furniture inside, and then I'll be back with the finished results. And this is the finished results. Looks super pretty, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!